Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to your Uniswap. So first thing you need to do is open up your Uniswap app and then you have to click on this receive button at the top bar of the screen. Then on the screen, you will be able to get your Uniswap wallet address. Now you have to click on this wallet address and your wallet address will be copied. Now the most important thing you have to make sure that your cryptocurrency that you are transferring is currently support these networks. So your cryptocurrency has to match one of this wallet address. If it doesn't match this address, that means you can't transfer that particular cryptocurrency. So once you have selected the right cryptocurrency that support these networks, you have to open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option. Then click on crypto wallet option and then on the screen select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So in our case, we are transferring USDT that currently support the networks that used in Uniswap. Then you have to click on this transfer button and then from this pop-up window click on withdraw and then another pop-up window will open up. From here click on external wallet option. Then on the screen you have to tap on this button called add wallet address. Then on this area you just have to paste the wallet address from your Uniswap that you have earlier copied. So just paste the wallet address in this area and then just enter the wallet name and then click on continue. And then your wallet address will be added here. All you need to do is click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address. Then this might show you the screen. Click on confirm and withdraw. And lastly, just enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your local currency and then click on withdraw. And lastly, you just have to make sure that your wallet address and the network type is correct and then click on confirm and then just enter the passcode of your crypto.com app. And once you follow this step, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from crypto.com to your Uniswap. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.